Hi guys! Good morning! So for today's video, we are heading to our next destination. So now we are taking out all the lugs in our caravan. So after more than a week, we are heading to other destination guys. So ngayon isasama namin kayo sa ating road trip na naman guys. So wish us luck. So ito yung ating car, ang ating car. So we are done our the items from outside. We bring it inside again guys. So we are 3 hours travel time to our next destination guys. So now I think the only thing left now is we need to put the caravan to the car and we can tow it later. So mamaya ulit. Nagbinata. Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! People of the universe. So guys, for today's video, nakita nyo kanina yung video ko earlier. Yes, I say good morning earlier. So now it's good afternoon, people of the universe. For today's video, today is Monday, September 12, and good afternoon, Jax.
Oh, hi guys.
So for today's video, people, we are in the car and guess what? We are towing our caravan. So now, today we are heading to our next destination, which is the
Clare in Clare Valley. It was a welcome to Clare Valley sign. We're going to Clare in Clare Valley. So obviously we left Victor Harbour after 2.5 weeks. I'm not sure what sequence of videos are going out, but we got the car back. Obviously we're not in the hire car anymore. We're able to tow. We left this morning about just after 10, so we kind of were a bit late to check out because we had to clean everything up. So it's been an okay trip. Haven't had any car issues, no overheating, nothing like that. So it's been not too bad. Biggest issue is just driving through small towns. With a big trailer on the back and also being able to turn that easily, because I guess it is wider than a car, and also trying to get petrol can be challenging at times because it's quite small. But we're only 19 minutes out, so we're nearly there, and I think we've got to drive through sight, so I don't have to do any reversing. So hopefully I can just turn in, straighten it up, and that's about it. And then we just unhitch, and that just is. So it looks like we're actually starting to get to vineyards. To the left here, we got our first site of vine grapes. And there's lots of canola as well. We've got another canola field on the right hand side here. So guys, yes, that's it for me. Bulaga.
Bulaga! So yun na nga guys, nakita niyo ang ganda ng lighting natin for today. Ang ganda guys, even it's cloudy. So anyways, you can see a lot of canola fields dito sa video na to. This is the Clare Valley guys, in the north of Adelaide. So yes, so mamaya nandun na tayo sa ating caravan park. Okay, so mamaya ulit guys.
Yep. Like.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the vastness of all that is blackness.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Mabuhay Parks dito sa Caravan Valley. So we are parking here first and before we get to our drive-through, guys, drive-through. So you can see that one, guys. I'll show you people of the universe. So that one, guys. So Jack's getting our information. So yeah. So this is the park. So we are going to stay here for a few days. Yes, you hear me right, people. So they also have a bike car over here. And I think they have a playground for the kiddos. So we're choosing the drive-through. So means drive-through, it's like a drive-through, guys. So mamaya ulit, people. Okay, guys, so we are heading to our
Straight away after I've done the left. Yeah, so I don't veer off and go this way.
straight drive-through, guys. Size is 1 to 13.
So when it splits, I'll go right. I'm not sure though. She doesn't know what side the water's on because usually it's better to put the.
Bus.
Oh, I'm gonna hold bus.
There's a bus, that one.
Yeah, so that's his first veer off. I think. Yeah. Oh, good times.
Oh, Missy. There I show Missy. So that's the other area is different? Oh, for the tent or what?
Oh, I'm here, am I? I thought I had a bloody drive-through site. She's made it out like I was able to bloody drive around. So it looks like we're gonna have the same fun as last time.
Yeah, we'll go here, oh. I'll go out. 38.
38 here.
What did you do like that one of
So I
the...
said, I did that. And now I'm going to do my usual fight.
Okay, go out. You want me to go out? Oh, I don't have to.
Go way forward.
Hello guys! So we are here sa Discovery Clear Valley. So Jack's doing a setup for our wheels. Now is the time to bring down the legs. So yes, we park very nicely doing the reversing parking, guys. So you can see here. Yes, it's the other side. So different side, guys. So I think there's the camp kitchen over here. There's a clothesline over there, toilet for female, male. There's a jumping pillow over there.
Yeah, probably walking through after I set up.
So ayan, guys. So yes, we are packed very nicely today, people. So here. So yeah. Pack nicely. So ayan, we are near on the toilet, the dump site, and we have a neighbors over here. So that's the road. So mamaya ulit. Okay guys, so now we are having our tea.
That's okay, you can show what's around. We have cheapest chips.
We are going to eat our dinner in Indy. So tomorrow I will bring you here in the main street because it's kind of starting to dark now.
Yeah, so there's a restaurant. I think we're the first one.
There's a... Yeah, so now we are going inside. Okay guys, so we are in Indy. Here's sa Clear Valley, people. Okay guys, so we are in Inday. So, ayan guys. So, usually, kapag Indian food guys, si Jax will choose for me. So, yeah, especially we will have a naan bread. So, ayan guys. So, nakita niyo mga price, 11, 19, 20. So, the Indie resto is here in the main street of Clare. So, Clare is in the north area. Ayan guys, we have the, I think it's a cracker. Is this a shrimp or a prawn?
Papadom.
Hi?
It's papadom.
Papadam?
Yes.
We are done, people. So now we are crossing the road.
Saved your life.
Thank you, Jax. We are crossing the road because we are going to Woolies, people. Yeah. Bulaga! So, that's it guys. That's our road trip going dito sa Clare Valley. So, Clare Valley is a valley here sa South Australia. Is 10 km north of Adelaide, guys. So, pataas naman tayo ngayon. We're down Victoria Harbour, dun sa bottom of South Australia, dun sa coastline. Ngayon, pataas naman tayo, guys. So, I will show the maps here. And here, and you can check them out guys kung nasaan na kami ngayon. So anyways guys, this is our second stop dito sa ating caravan life, sa ating caravan journey dito sa Australia. So anyways, we just arrived in Discovery Park sa Clare Valley nga guys, around like 4-ish, I think 4-ish or so anyways, so kinuha namin yung information and then nakita nyo kanina, it's very, very maliwanag pa siya ngayon guys na nakita natin. So, we are very blessed guys. We are grateful kasi hindi nag-stop ang ating car for today going here sa Clare Valley. Even though guys yung dinaanan namin is not like the other. There's another way kasi dito sa Adelaide. So, we are on the back road kasi ng Adelaide, guys. So, yun yung prefer namin. Pero ngayon nga lang, guys, it's slightly hilly. So, some of the road is hilly and narrow, guys. So, buti na lang nakayanan ng ating car. And, buti na lang, guys, talagang ako yung kinabahan kasi that's the first time na, ginamit namin, we used the car with the new engine. And yes, so we are lucky guys na wala naman nangyari sa daan. So usually it takes like from Victor Harbour sa South Australia papunta sa taas, which is in the north in the Clare Valley guys, is about 3 hours, more than 3 hours guys, yung travel time. So, yun na nga guys. So, ayun muna for today. Nakita nyo kung saan kami kumain. Dito sa town, dito sa Clare Valley. It's a very small because hindi ko masyado nakita guys. And hindi ko rin naipakita sa inyo kasi nga madilim na siya guys. Biglang dumilim agad. So, we go to the Indian restaurant. So, I think it's been a while since kumain kami sa Indian restaurant. And nakita nyo kung ano yung mga kinain namin ni Jax. So, usually kapag nasa Indian restaurant kami, si Jax ang pumipili ng pagkain kasi mas favorite ni Jax ang Indian restaurant, guys. So, yun na nga, guys. So, anyways, that's the end of our Clare Valley road trip from Victor Harbour to Clare Valley for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching. You learned something today. Plus, you had fun for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting my videos. And magalaw shout out to these wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Most please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please to subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Chala.